Good morning. Hi guys. I woke up I woke up quite early. So today is Tuesday, and I woke up at about 10, and I was supposed to wake up later than that, but I couldn't really sleep because I had a lot of things on my mind that I needed to do. So it's always good to do those things first and then go back to sleep, because then, for me anyway, my mind will feel more at rest, at peace. So I did those things. It's currently 4 p.m. and I'm just chilling. Yep. I'm thinking today is video day. I will make a video, but it's gonna be really quick because I've got swimming in an hour and a half. So I'm gonna come up with a video idea, make the video at least, and then when I come back from swimming, I'm gonna post the video. And it's open mic as well today, so that's gotta be done. So that's what's going on today. Hi guys, just wanted to say I'm going back to bed, but I've got to end this vlog now. Hey guys, just wanted to end this vlog. It's been Tuesday, and thank you so much for joining me on my day. And yeah, it was video day. I managed to upload and edit the video before midnight, which was good. And now I'm gonna kind of edit a bit on my phone and upload this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I went swimming as well, which was really fun, and gonna go on Thursday. But give it a thumbs up if you like this vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.